Hi all, thank you for tuning in today. So if you have not seen my face before, this is Dhwani, and if you have guys seen me before, then welcome back. So this is going to be my very first clothing haul. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Do let me know in comments if you guys like it, if you have any feedbacks, any suggestions of how I did, anything in general, feel free to leave it in the comment box. I usually make videos on alopecia or hair loss, but I'm planning to expand it to everything I like. So I'm from now on, I'll be making videos on fitness, on lifestyle, on clothing, on traveling, because I do all these things and I never let alopecia stop me from doing all these things. And clothing has been very vital part in me dealing with my confidence because I like to dress up, I like to look nice, and yeah, that's it. So today for the very first clothing haul I'm going to do of Zara. I know from the title and from the picture you would have known that I'm doing a Zara haul. And without me speaking random, let's get started. So the first thing I got is this shirt. It looks crazy. It has a lot of prints, if you can see. It's a size extra small. The reason I got this shirt is I'm going for a vacation next week. So I'm planning to wear this as a cover up on a bikini or a shirt having a knot in the bottom with a denim. Mostly I end up wearing it as a cover up on my bikini or a bikini top, shorts, and the shirt open, if you can visualize that. But that's the reason I got it, and I love the prints and the colors. The second item I picked up is this beautiful royal blue, electric blue, not, I wouldn't say electric blue, kind of a royal blue skirt. This is a size small. The reason I picked this up is because I thought this is a very good transitional piece. Like, you can wear it in summers, you can wear it in winters with your sweaters, jumpers, with some stockings. And the great part is, like, when I never thought before buying this, but now I think that this can go, like, this one can go really well with this shirt. I mean, it does have some similar colors. So yeah, I'm planning to wear this in my holiday with like some summery top, and in winters with some sweaters, maybe a white, a beige, a black, blue. I mean, this would look amazing if you get a similar color blue knitwear and stockings with some booties. That's gonna be hot, like real hot. Third thing I got from Zara is this purse. I wouldn't call it as a purse, it's a wallet, it's a purse. So if you see here, it's kind of a marble effect with a gold hardware in the bottom, and it's a fun for, I think, dressing up when you're going for an evening out. I mean, evening as an evening along with an evening gown, or if you're dressing up, or if you want just something to have fun. So yeah, and it does have a chain, and yeah, it's a gold chain, it's a gold hardware. I can even wear this with a really nice skirt and a top or a evening gown. I have a lot of evening gowns. I just love evening gowns. But yeah, this is the thing I got it. So prices and links to everything will be there in the description box. And if you want to see how I'm actually styling them, please feel free to follow me on my Instagram. Yeah, I'll be posting videos and pictures of from my tiny travel vlog on my Instagram. So yeah, feel free to follow me up there. I got only one accessory from like one jewelry piece from Zara, and it's this. It's loud, it's gaudy, it's colorful, and you cannot miss it. And I think that's the thing I love about this, because I usually don't wear earrings or much jewelry, but this is something I was like, okay, it's crazy enough for me to have this. So yeah, it's a heart, you see here. Yeah, I mean, it's red and pink. I might wear it, I don't know with what I'll wear it yet, I haven't decided, but I love it. I needed to have it. So yeah, so this is the only jewelry piece in the haul. Next one is a transitional piece again. It's a linen skirt with jewels on it. By now you guys can tell that I have some weird pieces, I have some crazy pieces, but I usually like neutral. It's a good combination of neutral along with some fun. All the jewels are sewn in, so I think you cannot, I mean, it's good. This is in size small, In summers, I would wear this with a white tank top or a black tank top or a bralette. I mean, if you have a bralette in neutrals or any colors also. But I'm looking forward to wear this particular one in winter. Like imagine this with a pullover, like like a white pullover or a beige pullover or even a black pullover with stockings. And if you have stockings that has logo on it, it would be just amazing. And same thing with booties, with ankle booties. I so want it to be fall. Actually no, I like the summer. I'm enjoying the last few days of summer. Speaking of summer, my next purchase is definitely a summer piece. It's a bralette. I loved the red color. So if you see, I like, when it comes to color, currently I'm liking red, blue, yellow, and then neutrals. So this is the red bralette, or a knit bralette, or a top, or a crop top, the way you want to tell it. I would style this with linen pants. I have a linen midi skirt. I might wear it with the linen skirt. I haven't decided it, but I'm planning this to wear for my vacation next week, and I'll be styling it. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Insta. Yeah, I'm just trying to have you guys to let you know how I style it. But yeah, the styling would be there on my Instagram. The next summer wear is shorts. Nothing special about the shorts. I don't have a shorts. I have one which has frayed edges, and I didn't want to have frayed edges. I wanted to have a shorts that has a very clean look to them. So hence I got this one. I like the length of it. This is a size 2 actually. So I go in between size 2 and size 4 when it comes to lowers in Zara. And I try to use judgment to know whether I should go for size 2 or size 4. But I'm somewhere around waist 26. So yeah, this is my shorts. I mean, this is just a versatile piece. You can just wear it with anything you want. I got it special because of my trip that is coming next week. But yeah, and the last thing I have, which speaks summer, this amazing flats. I mean, see, just look at them. Just yeah. So I got this because I want a really good pair of flats that I can wear with the shorts, with dresses, summer dresses for the trip. And yeah, I mean, I don't have the reason. I just love the pearl detailing of the flats, and I thought this would look really good either on shorts, either on bikinis, either on, as I said, skirts, everything. It's a neutral color, and yeah, I mean, there is a tendency for it to go dirty because they're white. But yeah, I just love them. So yeah, these are the flip-flops that I got. That's the last 2 pieces I got are the ones that I'm wearing right now. The first one is this black ribbed t-shirt or a top, which has a choker detailing here. And yeah, it's a very simple cropped choker detailing top, and this is how it looks like. I also got the denim that I'm wearing here. It's a size 4. It's a torn denim, and it has a straight fit. I have usually skinny denims. I'm not into straight denims, but I wanted to start a collection. So the first one was like, I just get a really torn, fun denim which is straight leg. This is a size 4, if I didn't mention it already. But this is how it looks like. So this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my very first haul. I want to hear from you guys in the description box. If you like the video, feel free to give the thumbs up. Do follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I style these pieces. And yeah, that's all. As I always say, always be beautifully you. Do things that make you feel amazing. If you have insecurities, I have. Work on them. Don't ever show your insecurity to somebody else. Dress up. Be amazing. Live happy. See you all again. Maybe pretty soon. And yeah, do follow me on my Instagram for my trip photos, and I'll be putting up another video about what I'm carrying for my trip, and then there'll be travel vlogs as well. It's going to be funny real soon. It's going to be fun real soon, not funny things I say. Anyways, bye lovelies.